Good evening and welcome to Inside 06, where we discover and explore the many events of Sharjah. In this episode, we'll be covering the Arabian travel market, the gateway to global travel and tourism growth. For over 3 decades, this annual event that takes place in the World Trade Center in Dubai continues to serve as a hub for all things related to tourism, travel and business. Sharjah is participating in this year's Arabian travel market for the 24th time, and in this report I'll be personally visiting the Sharjah Pavilion. After that, we'll be covering the Quran recitation event by Sharjah Quran Radio, Rattil, taking place at the Sharjah Children's Reading Festival. My colleague Zarnab also visited the Sharjah Children's Reading Festival and prepared the following report for us. And just before the end of the episode, we have a very special surprise report for you. Stay tuned till the end of the episode to find out. But for now, the Arabian travel market. The pavilion represents Sharjah globally to all different corners of the world, highlighting Sharjah's uniqueness in all aspects of travel and tourism that can only be found here in the Emirate of Sharjah. Let's take a quick tour and explore the Sharjah Pavilion.
Under the theme Empowering Innovation, Transforming Travel Through Entrepreneurship, the Emirate of Sharjah participates in the Arabian travel market with 27 public and private sectors here in the Sharjah Pavilion. The Sharjah Commerce and Tourism Development Authority participates in the pavilion and strategizes to further develop and promote the tourism industry in all its forms.
Today we're here at the Arabian travel market in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Sharjah Commerce and Tourism Development Authority participates in this exhibition for the 24th year in a row. And this exhibition is one of the most important and vital exhibitions for destinations and for industry leaders and for professionals working under this vital sector, the tourism sector. This sector contributes to more than 12% to the national GDP, and it is promising. There are many plans to expand even further with the tourism product in the United Arab Emirates and in Sharjah under the wise leadership of His Highness Dr. Sheikh Sultan Al Qasimi. We see many new products, many new experiences falling under the tourism industry, like the ecotourism products. We have, of course, the leisure products, the cultural museums, heritage, archaeology. All of these complement Sharjah's product, and it's really the USP of Sharjah. The DNA of Sharjah is different, and we complement each other with the rest of the Emirates. We work together to create a better and more solid economy for Sharjah. And today we have almost 27 government and private sector participants with us. We showcase Sharjah the best way possible, all the new projects, the upcoming projects, what's new in Sharjah, how can you really experience Sharjah through our technologies that we use here on the stand. And it is really a great platform for us, and we hope that we can achieve our goals, and this will be one of the main areas that will contribute to achieving our objectives.
Highlighting and strengthening Sharjah's advantages with a range of tourism marketing activities and enabling tourists to comfortably enjoy a wide range of experiences and services in the Emirate of Sharjah.
Sharjah Investment and Development Authority Shuruq is participating for the 17th time at the Arabian travel market, one of the most important platforms for tourism promotion, where we meet a lot of industry professionals here to show. This year's theme is ecotourism. And basically that's what we do. And Sharjah is very well known for its biodiversity, for being one of the most important places when it comes to ecotourism. Our focus this year is on promoting Mliha National Park, which has been recently announced with all its diversity, with all its history that goes back to 200,000 years of archaeology. And then with all the different activities that we host in Mliha, from glamping to the moon retreat to the archaeological sites. So this is one of our main focus here. And then also part of our promotion is we're promoting the Sharjah collection, all the different hotels we have, whether it was the Kingfisher Retreat in Kalba, Al Bidayar Oasis in Al Bidayar, our new addition to the collection, which is Najd Al Miqsar, consisting of 7 rooms, which is going to open a week from now. So basically our portfolio is very diversified and very much focused on ecotourism. So it's very important to be here at the Arabian travel market to promote Sharjah and to promote the hotels and destinations.
The Sharjah Classic Cars Museum is an ideal destination for classic cars lovers, a one-in-a-kind museum in the region displaying more than 100 classic cars manufactured in the early 20th century. Their participation in the Sharjah Pavilion gives us a taste of what they have to offer, as they display one of their many classic cars here at the Arabian Travel Market.
The participation of Sharjah Old Cars Club this year served under the umbrella of the Commerce and Tourism Development Authority, the Arabian Travel Market Exhibition, which is considered one of the most important annual stations that the club enjoy being present at. As the event, it is an opportunity for the club to present the most popular car maps and attracting many old cars lovers. The club aims to be the official umbrella for sport fans. It seeks to advance the culture of the old cars and the hobby of acquiring them. The club also enables to exchange of information and experience about old cars. The club offers a series of services and facilities such as car registration service, technical inspection, technical maintenance and discounted insurance service exclusive for the club members. Our participation highlights one of the unique collection, which is a Rattil IMC 1948, of which 507 cars were produced. In addition to that, a 3D display screen, virtual reality exhibition, and virtual reality device VR.
The Sharjah Classic Cars Museum is a hub and community for all lovers of cars and old history. Participating in the pavilion with the theme Explore Sharjah Museums, Sharjah Museums Authority aims to further promote its 16 museums located across Sharjah, from its heart to its eastern coast, further elevating Sharjah's status as the capital of Arab culture and tourism.
Sharjah Museums Authority is participating at Arabian Travel Market by giving a unique experience to its visitors by exhibiting a number of replica objects that represents the ancient history of Sharjah, its traditions, and also highlighting its cultural and art scene. We are also offering an interactive experience where visitors can visit 2 of our museums virtually and also write using Misnet, which is the first script discovered in UAE. We encourage the visitors to visit Sharjah museums by booking their tickets through our new launched booking service available on our website.
Showcasing Sharjah's tourism offerings and unique attractions, its rich history and love for knowledge, as well as the latest innovations in museum experiences.
We are participating as a marine club. We are organizing some big events like Formula 1 and Formula 2 and Formula 4 and many aquabike competition in Sharjah, and we have many things as a water sport we are developing here in Sharjah, as rowing, sailing, and many other sports of Olympic and non-Olympic in Sharjah and in all over UAE.
Representing Sharjah's deep love for arts and culture, the Sharjah Arts Foundation organizes a plethora of events throughout the year featuring both Arab and international artists. Providing an endless stream of all things related to art, the Sharjah Arts Foundation is showcasing a taste of their creativity here at the Sharjah Pavilion.
As we reach the end of our visit to the Sharjah Pavilion, having explored all the different sectors and organizations that put so much effort into shaping the Sharjah that we love so dearly, don't miss out, visit the pavilion and show your love for Sharjah. Year after year, the Arabian travel market attracts visitors from all around the world, allowing them to experience the different sectors and organizations of the Emirate of Sharjah. At the Sharjah Pavilion, giving them a glimpse into the beautiful city. Up next, a special event from Sharjah Quran Radio, Rattil, and a closer look into the Sharjah Children's Reading Festival.
Marking its inaugural presence at the 15th edition of the Sharjah Children's Reading Festival, the pavilion by the Sharjah Supreme Council of Family Affairs showcases its multifaceted efforts since 2000, dedicated to safeguarding, nurturing and empowering families across the Emirate of Sharjah.
We are pleased to be part of Sharjah Children's Reading Festival. We have many fun activities and events for kids at our booth of Sharjah Supreme Council for Family Affairs.
With various departments collaboratively hosting a range of activities and workshops, the pavilion prioritizes skill enhancement for children, while addressing crucial educational themes. Comprising departments dedicated to social and cultural development, family protection, and family rehabilitation, Sharjah Supreme Council Family Affairs consistently collaborates with community institutions to empower families, bolster stability, and amplify the roles of its members. The Sharjah Children's Reading Festival brings the mobile studio of Rattil. This is where children can have the opportunity to recite the Quran and record it within the studio. And to encourage and motivate the children, the recordings will be published on the social media accounts of Sharjah Quran.
Sharjah Quran Radio is here at the festival with the event Rattil. We are here to help children to read Holy Quran and record our mini studio. This is the third year for us in the festival, and we are improving and seeing more visitors. Our participation is one of kind because we are help kids to get closer at the Holy Quran and love the Holy Quran.
The simple steps of the studio start with the registration of the participant at the register kiosk in front of the queue. Once the participant's name has come up, it's their turn to enter the studio and start reciting the Quran, which will also be recorded. Now we have our participant Amna Hassan. Let's see what her experience was with Rattil Studio.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. قل أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس إله الناس من شر الوسواس الخناس الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس صدق الله العظيم.
The Sharjah Quran radio participation at the festival plays an important role by giving the Holy Quran strong importance and by giving children the opportunity to learn how to recite the Holy Quran and to also improve the aesthetic of their voices through their recitations.
Hello everyone, we are carrying the continuity to our previous episode in which we had shown you a glimpse of the Sharjah Children's Reading Festival 2024, and today I'm going to take you on another ride through this amazing festival's 15th edition, in which I'm going to give you some more exciting insights and let you have a deeper dive into some amazing interactive activities happening here. This year, under the theme Once Upon a Hero, SCRF 2024 will feature a diverse array of over 1,500 cultural, creative and edutainment activities led by 265 esteemed guests representing 25 countries alongside the participation of 186 publishers from 20 nations. The 12-day festival is filled with a number of inspiring speeches with industry leaders focused on the publishing sector, especially within children's literature. Attendees can also expect discussions on fostering reading habits and addressing the various obstacles faced by the regional and global book industry.
This is an amazing and beautiful festival. I came back here in 2017 and now I'm here again. It's amazing to stay here and found many books here. My teacher told me about this and we came here today. Not the whole school, just 2 classes. I'm very happy. Yeah.
The international festival covers diverse topics such as sustainability, fashion, crafts, music and more. Visitors can also look forward to more than 200 shows and performances, including plays and roaming displays presented by 19 groups representing 13 countries spanning the globe. The Kalimat Group, a global publishing and educational technology company founded by Her Highness Sheikha Budur Al-Qasimi in 2007, is a prominent presence at the Sharjah Children's Reading Festival this year. The group, whose Kalimat imprint focuses on high-quality Arabic books for children and young adults, has grown significantly since its inception. They now distribute books in over 15 countries and have been recognized internationally for their innovative approach, even receiving the prestigious Bologna Children's Book Fair Best Children's Publisher of the Year award in 2016. Kalimat publishes books that celebrate traditional Arabic culture while also addressing contemporary issues faced by the children, and they even translate works on various subjects to broaden children's perspectives. This year, Kalimat came to SCRF in full force, bringing a vast selection of books, captivating young minds and fostering a love for reading.
Today we are in Sharjah Children's Reading Festival, and we're seeing a lot of people actually visiting and coming, not just from Sharjah but from all the other Emirates in the United Arab Emirates. And we're very happy to see all the support that is given by Sharjah to all the publishers, all the activities, all the workshops that are taking place to encourage reading, to encourage book publishing, all led by Her Highness Sheikh Budur. We're very happy to see also all the smiles on the children's faces who are encouraged to read, to interact and to be part of this wonderful festival.
Sharing Kalimat's dedication to fostering a love for reading, the Sharjah Broadcasting Authority also participated in the festival. SBS showcased its commitment to children's education by offering interactive exhibits and showcasing live programs. This included a glimpse into the world of radio and television production, sparking an interest in young minds.
This is a festival for reading for children. I think this is very important. This is very important activity because you know at that time the reading is a very hard challenge because all the student, this child, they have iPads and have PC, different devices. They spend all the time. This reading is very hard. I coming here for two reasons. One reason for my profession, to see what's in science book for this age, because I am interested in this cycle 1 books, okay? I'm coming to check what new in books and activity in something they do, and what the government of Sharjah giving very astonished things and activity for children.
Actively participating in the festival, the Sharjah Award for Voluntary Work highlighted volunteer opportunities for young people. They also showcased initiatives that promote literacy through volunteer efforts. Their presence served as an inspiration for children to consider the value of giving back to their community.
The festival is so great, and there are so many good books and great theater shows, and I love the atmosphere here. There are so many workshops in this place, and it's all free. And if I would let anyone to come, I will really admire him to come here.
A cornerstone of Sharjah's cultural scene, Sharjah libraries played a vital role in the festival. They had a dedicated stand where visitors can come and explore library memberships, exciting book collections, and participate in fun reading activities. Their participation emphasized the importance of libraries as gateways to knowledge and lifelong learnings.
Amazing, and my daughter was very happy in the Sharjah Reading Festival. I bought her many stories that are reading friendly for her age. It was for the age of 3 to 4, and she was very happy engaging in the activities of coloring and the bubbles and the films stories. She was very happy. I really appreciate the government of Sharjah, and thank you, Sheikh Sultan, for everything you did for Sharjah and for everyone in the country. Thank you so much.
In its ongoing commitment to nurturing critical thinking, analytical skills and independence in young individuals, Sharjah's renowned House of Wisdom also joined the festivities in the 15th Sharjah Children's Reading Festival under the theme of Hey Bin Yaqdan. They also offered workshops that encouraged a love for learning and exploration, fostering innovation and creativity in young minds.
We are very lucky and happy for having us here in this a very big, and wonderful event. Thank you for, the government of Sharjah. They are giving us a chance to participate in this very big and wonderful events this year. And now, more and more kids and schools are coming in these events.
Thousands of families and book lovers came together to celebrate the power of storytelling, from inspiring author interactions and captivating performances to interactive workshops and educational exhibits. The festival offered an unforgettable experience for all ages. This year's theme, Once Upon a Hero, truly came alive. Children met their literary heroes, discovered new tales of bravery and adventure, and were inspired to become heroes in their own way. The Sharjah Children's Reading Festival leaves a lasting legacy. It plants the seeds of literacy, ignites imaginations, and empowers future generations to be lifelong learners.
And that's a wrap on the Sharjah Children's Reading Festival 2024. For 12 incredible days, the Expo Center Sharjah was transformed into a magical wonderland for books and all the things related to books and reading. We hope to see you all at the Sharjah Children's Reading Festival 2025 for another chapter in this incredible literary adventure.
Dear viewers, as we reach the end of the episode, as promised, we'll leave you with a special report of Behind the Scenes in Sharjah Broadcasting Authority, where you'll get to meet some of the people that covered the Sharjah Reading Festival and the people behind the camera. So come along to get a closer look into how we prepare our programs and the efforts we make to ensure the best viewing experience for our audience. Enjoy the rest of the episode and have a good night.
Stand by, camera 2. 3, 2, 1, cue. حمادي.
وصباح الجمال هنا من إكسبو الشارقة، وتحديدا من مهرجان الشارقة القرائي للطفل في نسخته ال15.
Join us as we take you on a personal tour behind the scenes at Sharjah Broadcasting Authority, showcasing the efforts of all our collective staff and SBA as a whole, as we strive to give you, our dear viewers, the best viewing experience. Let's meet some of our beloved staff members as they express and share with us their efforts and dedication to their work.
We lived exceptional days here in Sharjah Children Reading Festival. I had the honor of presenting the opening episode of this amazing festival, which was inaugurated by His Highness Sheikh Dr. Sultan bin Mohammed Al-Qasimi, Supreme Council Member and the ruler of Sharjah. The care of His Highness and the care of the Emirate of Sharjah here in the festival. As a member of Sharjah Broadcasting Authority, we saw the efforts of everyone covering this festival day and night throughout all the activities, all the workshops. So it has been really exceptional 12 days that we lived in Sharjah. 12 days of reading, of literature, of meeting authors, writers, everyone. So we felt like the whole world is gathered here in Expo, and we had the honor of covering these exceptional days.
Using the latest and state-of-the-art technologies, Sharjah Broadcasting Authority is dedicated to upholding its mission and vision to ensure the best of quality programs and content to all its viewers.
Sharjah Broadcasting Authority is here, year after year. We strive to give you the best viewing experience. With the latest technology and innovations, we work hard and give you all our effort here at Sharjah's Children's Reading Festival and all other events that we cover.
We are here in the production team for this event and any other events inside and outside Sharjah with state-of-art equipment facilities in HD and 4K, along with our well-equipped staff members providing solutions on behalf of engineering departments based on the requirements of every program in Sharjah Broadcasting Authority.
enthusiastically and efficiently providing coverage of all the latest events and news related to the Emirate of Sharjah, whether they take place in the enlightened city of Sharjah or in the other Emirates or even overseas. You can rest assured that Sharjah Broadcasting Authority will be there on the scene, working hard and passionately to deliver to our beloved audience.